Well, I got some cool stuff in today. This is the brake push rod, whatever they want to call it, brake linkage. This is the shift linkage. These are from Greene Brothers. I've heard nothing but good reviews on them, so I decided to get them. Hopefully this will make the pedal go up a little bit higher. This is for the Street Bob, the 22 Street Bob. Got this packages, and well, these two packages and a bunch of cool stickers. So those will be for the refrigerator right there. But this is for the Street Bob right here. It shouldn't be really hard to put on. I want to put it up on the lift and put them on, see what they look like and see how they feel. Put the bike up on the lift, and here's the rod right here. It's this one here. So all we need to do is take this screw out right here and that one. I don't think we need to take the this bracket off, which is for the foot peg, so I think we'll be okay. And what I mean by the pedal being going up a little bit right here, it's like really level to my foot, so hopefully it'll bring it up, a significant amount. But we'll see. Other than that, they look cool. The brackets look awesome, so I'm gonna put them on. We'll see how it goes. The front one here is an Allen head, and that's a what size? God, I can't even see. Well, there it is. That's the size. 3/16. And this one here is a T45. Sorry about my trusty kit out here. So that's a T45. That's a 3/16. See where the stock rod is way longer than the Greene Brothers here. I put it on and I more or less got it to where I wanted to be, where I feel comfortable with the pedal, with the position it's at. But before it was really low, really level right here. Now when I put it on, you'll see that the pedal raises up, and of course I got up on it and put my feet on it, and you could see where the difference is going to be. Let's put it on and you can see what I'm talking about. Here's the pedal. You could see how it raised it up, and my foot, hits it right on it. It's a lot more comfortable. It calls for blue Loctite, but all I have was red, so I'll check these again. And they say 100 miles, but I'm going to check it next week. Got a long ride. The instructions say to install it with this groove towards the master cylinder, and the back does not have a groove. The jam nuts are tight. Those are 1/2 inch. Well, this one isn't tight. I tightened the back one. The back one's tight. These are 1/2 inch. They're aluminum, so be very careful they don't strip on you. This is a T27. I said T45, and it just broke. You can see it just broke right there, so I'm gonna have to go to Napa or go on eBay and see if I can find another one. But anyway, that's how easy that is, and I think it does make a better feel for the pedal. Let's go and put the shift linkage on now. That's where I like the pedal to be, the brake, the shift lever. You could see, you turn this a little bit, it'll come down or come up. I'm going to put it back to where I had it, just about right there. And just make sure you lock tight these, either blue or red. Red is, I believe, is good. Might get some bad feedback on that, but that's what I had. And again, the groove, I put it towards the front. I don't know if they want you to put it towards the back, but I put it towards the front, just like the master cylinder one. And I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up these two nuts here. That's with the 1/2 inch. And we should be fine. Make sure you don't scratch these. These are very easy to scratch, so they say, but and the good thing is you turn the adjuster and it'll adjust both ends, so you'll be fine. Again, this is not a how it's done. This is how I did it, and it works for me. You could see it looks like it's going to shift okay, but I am very pleased with the position of the brake pedal. I mean, that made a big difference. Again, this is on the 22 Street Bob here. Getting ready to go for a ride, so I'm going to clean it up, get it ready, make sure the oil, all that stuff is good. Got a new air cleaner for it. Should put that on. But I still need to do a review, a 1-year review. I bought it back in January of 22. We're already into the 3rd month of 23, so I only have like 4,500 miles on it so far. The other bike is there. That's the Heritage. So again, this is what it looks like. I mean, it's actually, I'm pleased with it. I'm happy with it. I'm not gonna say anything bad about them. I think they work good. At one time, I did put forward controls on it, factory forward controls. I ended up selling them to a friend of mine. I just didn't like the feel. I didn't like the feel of they were the factory ones, the standard ones. I mean, not the mid controls, the factory ones. And he liked them, so he put it on his. Now he wants to go with the extended forward controls, so I put the stock ones back on. But the pedal, again, the pedal, it makes a difference right there. You can see where the pedal is positioned at now. All right, thanks for watching this video. There's the drag car there. I've been going out to the drag strip for a little bit now, so but that's where I'm at with this baby here. I was gonna trade it in, believe it or not, but I decided I'm gonna keep it. It's a neat little bike. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment what you think. And again, this is Greene Brothers. I just think it's a good product. It's a good product, and it sure is going to make a difference. Thanks again. Have a nice rest of the week. See you next time.